Ever wonder who's truly behind the cold wallet that keeps your crypto safe? In a world buzzing with digital assets, knowing the ownership and background of the tools you use for security is paramount. We talk a lot about self-custody, but what about the custodians of the devices that enable self-custody? Today, we're diving deep into the ownership of the Ellipal wallet. Ellipal has carved out a significant niche in the hardware wallet market, particularly known for its air-gap design and robust security features. But when you hold that sleek device in your hand, have you ever stopped to think, who exactly owns Ellipal? Ellipal is a private company, founded in 2017, and headquartered in Hong Kong. It was co-founded by David Tian and Tong Chen, with a vision to create what they termed the ultimate hardware wallet, one that addressed the shortcomings they perceived in existing solutions. Their journey began with the goal of revolutionizing crypto security and usability, leading to the creation of the Ellipal Titan, the world's first air-gapped cold wallet. Being a private company means it's not publicly traded on a stock exchange, so you won't find its shares listed for purchase by the general public. Instead, its ownership is held by its founders and a select group of investors. PitchBook, a financial data and software company, indicates that Ellipal has raised approximately $1.48 million in funding, with investors including JRR Group, Northbund Capital, Hong Kong, and DL Capital, Shanghai. These investment rounds contribute to the company's growth and development, allowing them to innovate and expand their product line. It's important to understand that while the company is based in Hong Kong, the fundamental security of an air-gapped cold wallet like the Ellipal Titan is designed to be independent of its geographical location. An air-gapped device, by its very nature, maintains complete isolation from online networks, meaning your private keys are never exposed to the internet. This design principle is a core tenet of Ellipal's security philosophy, aiming to make the security of your assets reliant solely on your physical control of the device and your seed phrase. Over the years, Ellipal has continued to evolve. They launched the Ellipal Titan 2.0, partnered with major platforms like MetaMask, and consistently update their mobile app to support an ever-growing list of cryptocurrencies and functionalities, from swapping and buying to staking and NFT management. Their commitment to security has even earned them recognition from publications like Forbes, which listed the Ellipal Titan as one of the top cold wallets. So, while David Tian and Tong Chen, along with their investors, are the driving force behind Ellipal, the true essence of a cold wallet's ownership lies in the hands of the user. You own your private keys, and the Ellipal device is simply the secure conduit that helps you manage them. This distinction is crucial in the decentralized world of cryptocurrency. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.